Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you love travel, stunning views, and of course Instagram-worthy spots, then you're in for a treat today. I'm about to take you on a journey through Italy, and I'm on a mission to uncover the most Instagrammable hotspots for 2025 before anyone else. So buckle up, because we're starting right now. First up, we're in Venice, the floating city. While the canals, gondolas, and the Rialto Bridge have been famous for centuries in 2025, there's a new going on in this city. Secret spots away from the crowds. Check out this little-known square with an old-world charm. The perfect backdrop for those dreamy, romantic shots. Plus, don't tell anyone, but this little gem will make your Instagram pop. Next, we're heading to one of Italy's most picturesque coastlines, Cinque Terre. These 5 charming villages are known for their colorful buildings perched on steep cliffs, offering views around every corner. But here's the insider tip. If you hike the Sentiero Azzurro trail at sunset, you'll capture the most breathtaking shot of the coast, and the crowds are usually a bit thinner at this hour. The shot is going to make your feed go wild. And don't forget to tag me if you try it. I want to see those gorgeous shots. We couldn't do a list of Italy's most Instagrammable places without stopping by Florence, the heart of Renaissance art. Of course, the Florence Duomo is iconic, but what you might not know is the stunning view from the rooftop of the Museo di San Salvi. It's a hidden treasure, offering a panoramic view of the entire city, with the Duomo, Ponte Vecchio, and even the Tuscan hills in the background. Talk about a jaw-dropping, envy-inducing shot. And hey, how's this for a photo? All right, for the next spot, we're heading to the Amalfi Coast, but not to the usual hotspots. I'm talking about Ravello, a town perched above the cliffs, with a vibe that's all about lush gardens, stunning villas, and views that look like they were made for a postcard. Here's the tip. The terrace at Villa Simbrone has the best panoramic views you can get in Ravello. Perfect for that serene, sophisticated Instagram shot. Look at this backdrop. Seriously, it's like stepping into a dream. Definitely one for the gram. Now, I couldn't leave out Rome, Italy's eternal city. Sure, we've all seen the Colosseum and the Trevi Fountain, but I'm showing you something fresh and new. The rooftop bars with sweeping views of ancient ruins and the Roman skyline. And trust me, the sunset views from up here are just pro tip. This place is perfect for a sunset cocktail and a killer photo op. The golden hour lighting makes the Colosseum look like it's straight out of a history book, but in the most glamorous way. Last, but certainly not least, we're at Lake Como, an idyllic, luxurious destination that feels like something out of a movie. The towns surrounding the lake, like Bellagio, are straight up, with charming streets, lakeside views, and gorgeous villas. If you're looking for a place that screams luxury and beauty in one shot, this is it. It's impossible to take a bad photo here, and I can't wait to see which one is your favorite. Well, there you have it, Italy's most Instagrammable hotspots for 2025. From Venice's secret squares to the luxurious beauty of Lake Como, there's no shortage of amazing places to fill your feed with stunning shots. But hey, these spots are now, so make sure you get there before the crowds do. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to explore Italy's best locations, and drop a comment to let me know which spot you're most excited to visit. And, as always, subscribe for more adventures, because you know I'll be bringing you along for even more travel challenges this year. See you in the next one.